Annecam is an Australian flagged yacht registered to the Port of Melbourne. Welcome aboard with Annette and Campbell Hare. Sailing in the Caribbean from Antigua to the British Virgin Islands. First mate Sarah up the mast on Annecam to replace a halyard and to take a selfie. We sailed away from Antigua. First stop was Montserrat.
That's all backwash from the swell.
After a short stop, we sailed past the still active volcano that destroyed the capital, Plymouth, 20 years ago. We sailed past the small island of Redonda. Then on to St Kitts and Nevis. After mooring for one night at Nevis, we sailed to St Maarten, passing St Kitts on our way. We also sailed past the island of St Barthélemy, better known as St Barts. We arrived at St Maarten, passing Phillipsburg, on our way to Simpson Bay. After stopping in the Simpson Bay Lagoon for a week, we set our sails for the British Virgin Islands. road town to pick up the other half of Annecam. Welcome back, Annie. Who should show up out of the blue? La Vagabonde, the yacht that left Gibraltar with us over 2 months ago, with Elena and Riley on board. Riley and me recovering a dog pen for a solo sailor. The towboat took 7 goes to shift the poor yacht that had gone aground. Dinghy, then swim into the baths on the island of Virgin Gorda. If only these caves could talk, maybe we could hear the pirates of old. The beautiful white bay on Guana Island. Heading into the Beef Island airport for some free Wi-Fi. This is one very proud Nana showing Sarah her grandson Sam. Two happy girls. This is one of many that flew over the anchorage near the airport. It was very windy anchored in Trellis Bay on Beef Island. The girls are heading in for some retail therapy. And here they are, doing what they do best. It was time to check out the small market here in Trellis Bay for some provisions. The Admiral on the tiller. We weren't worried at all. The crew checking out Dead Man's Bay. Just for my fishing mates, they catch solid tuna and wahoo here in the BVIs. The water is warm, clear, with lots of fish to see. Just one of the many fantastic sunsets here in the BVIs. The girls playing before bedtime.